Physical and economical characteristics of real estate set it apart from any of the other markets. The physical characteristics of real estate is the fact that it's immobile. It's in a fixed location. Land is indestructible, it's durable. Structures have long lifespans, and real estate is unique. It's like a fingerprint, there's just one of them. Government controls the influence of the market through zoning, building code, and taxes, causing both direct and indirect influences on the relationship between supply, demand, and price. Market is slow to respond to the change of supply and demand. Area preference is known as situs. The value of that situs is the highest and best use of the land. A study of markets and their operations reveals several factors that influence supply and demand. Supply is the amount and type of real estate available for sale or rent at differing price levels in a given real estate market. Skilled labor, construction loans and financing, land, the scarcity of usable lands and the laws regulating the use, and materials all affect the supply. Demand is the desire and ability to purchase or rent goods and services. In real estate, demand is the amount and type of real estate desired for purchase or rent in a given market at a given period of time. Price of real estate: a change in the price results in an inverse change in demand. Population numbers and household compositions. Household is defined as any person or group of persons occupying separate housing spaces. Income of consumers. The availability of mortgage credit is the barometer of the real estate market. If there's availability of credit, our real estate market's good. A small change in interest rates creates a large change in the monthly payment. And of course, consumer taste and preferences affect demand. There are two types of market conditions in real estate: buyer's market and seller's market. A buyer's market is where the supply exceeds the demand. Buyers get better prices and terms. In a seller's market, demand exceeds supply, and the sellers are able to sell for higher prices. Other market indicators would be sales volumes, the number of homes sold. Interpreting a market condition: price levels of new homes and number of building permits. Occupancy and vacancy rates. Vacancy rates is a percentage of available rental units that are not occupied. A little math for you: occupancy and vacancy rates. What's the occupancy rate and what's the vacancy rate? If 330 units in a 350 unit building are rented, take 330, the ones that are rented, divided by the ones that are available, and you have a 94% occupancy rate. You take the amount of those that are not rented, divided by the amount that is available, and you have your vacancy rate, which is 6%.